today's video, I'm going to take off this piece, which is covered by this. So we're going to take this off, as already done. I'm going to take this out because if you look here, looks like air should be going into there, which therefore goes into your stock air intake. So we're going to take this out. We're going to Dremel 1, 2, and part of 3, because obviously I want to leave this where it bends and it goes in faster. So we're going to take off the piece. I've already disconnected this and then reattached it just for my own purposes. So snap that out. And we're going to take this out. Pop 1, pop 2. And there you have your piece. So if you look at this closely, you'll see air looks like it goes in one side, but not the other. So we're gonna fix that today with handy dandy Dremel. While it's project time over here, we're gonna start the Dremel process. Got my Dremel. Cutting time commencing. Alright, and just like that, I've already cut the first section, and then I got part 2. Don't know how much I'm going to get to part 3, but we're going to work on it. Looks better already. Great, I got that. All right, so here's what we got so far. Gonna use the smoothing part. Gonna see what we can do to smoothen this out and expand it a little bit. It's too difficult to get in this section, so I'm gonna try and do it anyway, but I'm gonna first take care of this. All right, so here's what I've accomplished with the first 2 sections. I'm gonna tackle the third one right now, see how it looks and how it comes out. So we're gonna try this right now real quick and see if anything comes of it. Not really hopeful or realistic, but the first 2 sections that you see here, it's a lot better than what it was. All right, and there you have it. Perfectly Dremeled the way that I wanted. So gathers the scoop right in this 3rd quadrant or 3rd section. I did a pretty decent job. It's not perfect, but hey, this is what custom creations are. So can only get in there so far. Let's go put it back on the car right now and see how it looks. All right, now to pop this back in. So we're gonna make it as good as it needs to be. That's one side, that's the other side. Gonna get the screws. All right. I think it came out pretty awesome. I'm a big fan of using a Dremel, which is what I did. And it looks pretty good. It's gonna look almost like a factory thing. Okay. Look at that. It's literally in factory position. So scoop the air right in here like it's made. Yeah, I know, not the best job, but it'll go right into the air intake, which is what I want. So, all right, and then snaps into there. This snaps into there, and that's back together. And look at that. Extra airflow. Maximizing airflow to the stock intake. Look at that. Maximizing airflow. I block out the sun. So, there we go. Sweet. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.